Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was done using this cipher, which me and my friend developed back in 2011, and it uses this combination of letter stems, which are these deep divots or shallow divots, which this would be an example of a deep divot here, whereas a shallow divot, like that one there, can be used to connect words and letters together. So shallow divot versus deep divot, this is more than 50% of a circle, where this is 50% or less of a circle. And then there are the completed circle stems. So this completed circle is fully inside our word circle here, which is this blue line. And an example of that would be like this one here, fully inside the circle. This one here is also inside our word circle, and so is this one. Anyway, then the last stem is a completed circle on the line of our word circle. So like this one over here. This is our word circle, and this is a completed stem on the line of the word circle. So we'd be in this row. So then there are modifiers, which are dots. So we can have one dot or multiple dots. So these are our 3-dot letters. So they'd be in the 3-dot column. And then there are also lines here. So this is a line modifier. And line modifiers, they count where they end on a letter stem. So this line counts here. It doesn't count where it passes through like that. So this is a 3-dot letter, shallow divot, because this line passes through, yeah? So, anyway, let's go ahead and read this. So this little guy here is our start marker, and it tells you where the bottom is and which direction to start reading. And you'll notice that one is there and one is there, because this is actually the same design, just flipped, so that way it can make a little bit longer and nicer of a ring, whereas this word is centered, and we have that start marker here at the bottom showing where to read that one, because there's just one of them and you don't want to read it upside down because then it will be upside down. So anyway, we have 3 dots on this circle inside the word circle, making an L. Little guys are vowels, vowel, 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 lots of vowels, and an A is outside the word circle. And then we have 3 dots, we have the U with a line going outwards, like that, and then a GH has 1 dot on it, like that. We can put some letters together as combos, so that would be the word laugh. In fact, this is the unraveled text version of that. L, L, A, U, U, G, H, G, H. And I'm just going to refer to this for the rest of these words. So we have this deep divot, 2 lines H, then an A outside the word circle, an R with 3 dots, and then this deep divot D with 3 dots. So this circle here is just the line coming from the H, these 2 lines kind of wrapping around. So this line ending on that doesn't matter. And then we have this shallow divot with 1, 2, 3 dots on the R, and then a U line going outwards, and then an N with 1 line on it. And then, we noticed a typo, because this is hast. For some reason, my line here went away, so we gotta put that back. Sometimes when moving things, exporting things, and stuff, lines go away. So now an F has 1, 2, 3 lines, an A outside the word circle, 1, 2, 3 lines on the S, and then it's T, none of the lines end on it, and then B, B, E. And then kind, we have 1, 2 dots on this K, I line going inwards, and then this ND has 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, and that is that design, because then it's just repeated here, and I will get this line on my F and S. Bam. There. Got him. Okay, cool. Sweet. That's that.